If you search for luggage on Amazon, you're gonna get over 100,000 results. As a guy who's bought and reviewed a ton of luggage, let me tell you, there is such a range here. Prime Day is right around the corner, and this is one of the best times of year to save serious money on quality luggage, not the time to get a cheap, flimsy piece of crap, or even cheaper. So in this video, I'm covering the Amazon bags you should avoid, the budget steals, and the sweet spot where most travelers should be shopping, as well as a few premium picks you should pray go on sale, because that's where the savings get crazy. Let's start with the bags that you're gonna see heavily promoted and you should skip entirely. The Amazon Basics Carry-On, several publications' best budget pick. $66 sounds amazing, until you realize it's made of flimsy ABS plastic that's gonna crack way easier than polycarbonate, and it only has a 1-year warranty. But the real problem is this bag is too big for 87% of airlines. So you show up to the gate and your bag doesn't fit the sizer, and now you're paying $50 to check it every single time you fly. That deal just became the most expensive bag you've ever owned. We got so tired of bags being sold as carry-ons when they don't actually fit that my team and I built a free tool called willmybagfit.com. It has carry-on and personal item policies for over 160 airlines. According to that tool, the Amazon Basics fits just 6% of airlines worldwide. And that's a problem. Same story with the Ukein 3-piece luggage set. A carry-on, a backpack, and a toiletry bag for $100. It sounds like a steal until you realize the carry-on only fits 14% of airlines. What's more, the interior is as bare bones as I've ever seen, and the backpack itself is just a knockoff. 3 mediocre products bundled to feel like a deal. You can do better, I promise. Another one I'd steer clear of is the Samsonite Freeform spinner. It's won awards, it's been hyped by Forbes and Travel and Leisure, and it's gonna be discounted on Prime Day. But when we put it into our compliance tool, this bag fits just 3% of airlines worldwide. I just wouldn't do it. But there are great bags on Amazon, starting with 2 that deliver way more than their price tags would suggest. The Osprey 26+6 is our top budget backpack pick. It's under 2 pounds, 26 liters, it expands to 32, clamshell opening, comfortable AirScape back panel, 98% airline compliance worldwide, and backed by Osprey's lifetime warranty. It's $100, full price, really hard to beat. So catch it on sale, even better. Another just fantastic budget bag in this category is this 40-liter carry-on, the Tomtoc Navigator Lightway. The materials of this thing are solid, the weight is super duper light, and nothing about this when you first look at it just screams budget bag, but the normal price is under $100. If it goes on sale, and they tend to, it's basically an instant buy. By the way, during Prime Day next week, my team and I are sending daily emails with the best travel gear deals we're finding. We've reviewed hundreds of products on this channel, and we're price checking every single one of them during the event. So if you want those deals hitting your inbox every morning, sign up using the link in the description down below. So you're never gonna regret investing in quality luggage. And notice, I'm not saying luxury luggage or expensive luggage. The 2 options I just showed you are quality luggage. And the truth is, most people don't need something like Rimowa or Tumi. You just don't. But if you travel more than once or twice a year, you shouldn't be rolling the dice on a $50 suitcase that cracks on your second trip. In my experience, you can do really well for $100 to $300, which is gonna get you better materials with luggage, smoother wheels, and more often than not, a lifetime warranty. This is the sweet spot. And during an event like Prime Day, you can save even more. Let's talk about suitcases. This is Level 8's Luminous textured carry-on. This is a great pick for domestic travelers. It's got only 36% airline compliance worldwide, but it's gonna work on most US carriers without issue. Ultra quiet spinner wheels, anti-scratch polycarbonate shell, clean design, and about $160. The interior isn't as premium as pricier bags, but for durability and handling at this price, it's really hard to beat. I'll say the Herschel Heritage Hardshell is worth a look as well. That one has 79% airline compliance, comes with Hinomoto wheels, which you don't often see at this price, and it's a good looking bag. It's 6.15 pounds and 35 liters with no expansion for $230. But if it goes on sale and if you're a frequent international traveler, that compliance score really matters. All right, Bellroy makes two of our favorite carry-ons, and they share one feature that separates them from almost every other luggage brand: user replaceable parts. If you bust a wheel on your trip, you can order the part from Bellroy and fix it yourself. Same with the handles, the telescoping pole, the TSA lock. That philosophy alone makes it a massive differentiator. The Transit carry-on here is our #1 hard-sided luggage pick. Full retail is $299, 79% airline compliance worldwide. It's under 7 pounds and has ultra-quiet Hinomoto wheels and built-in packing cubes that come with the bag. User replaceable, everything, 10-year warranty. The Light carry-on is their soft-sided bag at $289, and I mean truly soft. It's not a hybrid with a rigid skeleton underneath, and because of that, it could compress very well in the sizer in ways that a hard-sided bag, or frankly, even a lot of soft-sided bags, can't. 81% airline compliance worldwide. For a roller bag, that's an excellent number. And when it isn't in use, this thing stores basically flat. Transit if you want hard side with built-in organization, Light if you want maximum compliance and flexibility. These are the bags that you buy once and maintain for years, not replace every other trip. Now that buy it right the first time philosophy doesn't just apply to luggage. I'd make the exact same case for what goes inside your bags. A $95 t-shirt sounds crazy until you realize one shirt can do the work of 3 or 4. Merino wool is naturally odor resistant, so you can wear it multiple days in a row without issue. It's wrinkle resistant, temperature regulating, and looks good enough to easily transition from daytime to dinner. Instead of stuffing your carry-on with 2 weeks of clothes, you could pack 5 merino shirts and lighten your load. My company of choice for merino wool clothing is Unbound Merino because they make this stuff especially with travelers in mind. I've been buying from them since way before we had a channel worth sponsoring, because just like investing in a good bag, I want to purchase fewer, better things. At this point, I've genuinely replaced most of my travel wardrobe with their stuff. There's a link below to check them out, and you can use the code AWAYTOGETHER to get 10% off your first order. Big thanks to our friends at Unbound Merino for sponsoring today's video. Another great soft side roller to look at is the TravelPro Maxlite 5. This bag is lightweight, it's under 5.5 pounds. It has smooth spinner wheels, it's expandable, and normally retails for around 150 bucks. Compliant with nearly all major US domestic airlines, about 40% worldwide. This is a fantastic bag, great value, and it's one that we've used quite a lot. Now, another great backpack you could find on a Prime Day deal are backpacks by Peak Design. This is Peak Design's 45-liter travel backpack. This is the backpack for camera gear. 400D recycled nylon, 900D waterproof liner on the bottom, and it expands from 40 to 45 liters. The side access is designed specifically for camera cubes, and even without cameras, this is a wildly customizable and premium bag. Just know it is a little bit bigger, so check compliance for your specific airline. Also from Peak Design, the Roller Pro. This one's a pretty serious jump in price, normally retails for about $600. And it's firmly in the pray it goes on sale category, because at this level, a Prime Day discount could save you $100 or more. I did a full dedicated review of this bag. The link is down in the description below, so I'll keep this part really, really tight. Peak Design built this bag from the ground up as a reimagination of roller luggage, and I would say in a lot of ways, they pulled it off. The slim drive carbon fiber telescoping handle has zero wobble, truly zero. The drawbridge opening lets you access the bag without fully butterflying the clamshell, which anyone who's traveled in tight spaces will immediately appreciate. The front pocket functions like Peak Design's Backpack Pocket Quick Access EDC with organization plus a magnetic latch laptop sleeve. Real innovations, right? Not just marketing. Like most of these premium bags, it's heavy. Compliant with about 40% of airlines worldwide if you have to put it in the sizer. And I would say this is really great for photographers, content creators, and anyone already in the Peak Design ecosystem. If that's you, and maybe you've been eyeing this bag, here's your reminder, keep a lookout on Prime Day. Pelican makes virtually indestructible cases for professional cameras, military equipment, stuff that you can't afford to break. And they brought that same philosophy to luggage. Waterproof, crush-proof, lifetime warranty. The trade-off is it's heavy, but if you're traveling with sensitive medical equipment or fragile professional gear, nothing else comes close. And at the top of the stack, the Briggs & Riley Baseline Essential. This is not a cheap bag, but it's made of ballistic nylon, has aircraft-grade aluminum frame, and the outsider handle sits on the exterior so it doesn't eat into your packing space. It's got a built-in compression expansion system, which expands the bag about 30% with one touch, and then compresses it back down for the overhead bin. And the warranty is what truly sets it apart. Lifetime repair coverage against any damage, no receipt needed, no questions asked, for life. That is best in class. The catch on this bag is weight. This is another bag I would say could be great to consider investing in if you're primarily a domestic traveler. It is heavy. This is the highest priced bag in the video, which means it's also where you stand to save the most on a Prime Day deal, so it's worth keeping an eye on. This bag is fantastic. We actually did a full comparison of 10 premium carry-ons, spent over $10,000 of our own money to get our hands on them, and this Briggs & Riley bag was hands down the winner. If you're thinking about pulling the trigger on any of these bags, even if you're waiting till Prime Day, please consider coming back to this video and using the links in the description below. It helps support this channel at no extra cost to you. And if you want to see our full breakdown of other travel gear that's definitely worth the splurge versus the stuff that isn't worth it at all, check out this video right here. Thanks so much for watching. Happy travels.